computer works. Our first question is, what is a computer? A computer is a programmable device. The two principal characteristics of a computer are, one, it responds to a specific set of instructions in a well-defined manner, and two, it can execute a pre-recorded list of instructions, also called a program. A computer is made of two components. One is hardware and one is software. Components of a computer. The first main component is power supply. Right here is the power supply. The second is the motherboard, which is this. Inside the motherboard, there are three main things, which is ROM, which means read-only memory. The ROM is right here. And we also have CMOS, which is complementary metal oxide semiconductor. And we have circuits, which include capacitors, transistors, and registers. The third one is our processor or CPU. CPU is the central processing unit that's known as the brain of the computer. This right here, this little thing, is the CPU. And we place it right here. And this one, there's a CPU under the heatsink. We also have memory, or RAM, which means read-only memory. Then we have storage devices. Inside the storage devices, hard disk drive, which is right there, and CD-ROM drive. Now, we also have I/O cards, input-output cards. They include video cards, sound cards, and network cards. We also have a keyboard and a mouse, which is your input devices, and monitor and printer as your output devices. So, your input devices and output devices are things you can see. The rest of the components are in the computer. Now, all you've been waiting for is actually how a computer works. The first step is to power on when you turn on the power supply. The power supply converts AC current to DC current. The second step is called BIOS activation. The motherboard gives power and BIOS becomes activated. BIOS means basic input-output system. The third step is called post. BIOS checks all computer components and compares the setup. This process is known as post. Post means power on self-test. The fourth step is called operating system launch. After successful completion of post, OS loads from hard disk to memory. Now computer is ready to use.